The Restock launch today. We are taking a look at several stocks that have seen better days. And we're asking our trader if there's any chance for a turnaround. Here with our trades is Scott Nations, the president of Nations Indexes. First up, we have Intel shares. They're jumping 7% today on hopes of a business split, but the stock is still down over 55% this year. It's been a long time since the stock has seen good times. Scott, what's your trade here?
That's right. But Intel as a whole, as you pointed out, up 7% so far today. It was up 10% at one point today. That's largely because the management has said that they are exploring strategic options. That's always good for a stock when management says that. And here Intel needs the help. They missed the AI revolution, and now they aim to become a contract or custom manufacturer for other chip companies. That means that they're giving up the IP side of the business, which is disappointing. If you're as old as I am and remember when Intel was really the thing. Earnings disappointed earlier this month. They've suspended their dividend, which makes sense and explains what's going on with the company, because if they want to become a custom manufacturer, then they're going to have to build capacity. And that is incredibly, egregiously expensive in the chip space. Stock still isn't cheap, even though it's gone from over 50 to 21.5 right now, 50 at the start of the year. So we'll have to see what management comes up with as far as strategic options, but it's a hold right now.
Oh, for sure. Up next, we've got Lululemon shares marginally lower today after the company missed sales estimates, cut its full year guidance, stock down nearly 50% in 2024. So without showing off unattractive leggings, Scott, can Lulu turn things around?
They can, and this is a long-term buy, not a short-term buy, but a long-term buy. The space has really had a tough time. It's been out of favor, but the product is everywhere. These products are everywhere, and so I expect a bounce. You're right. Lulu's been cut in half year to date, but again, that's an overreaction, partly because both revenue and earnings per share are expected to grow by 9% both this year and next. So with a forward PE of just 18, it's cheaper than the broad market, and Nike has a PE of 24, a PE of 26, so Lulu's quite a bit cheaper than Nike. But the company can't have any more failures like its breeze-through leggings, which you referred to. They just can't afford to have any kind of misses like that. They need to really start coming through and producing.
No more whale. Yeah,
is
whale
that
tail.
See-through?
No. This is a whale tail issue where it makes your butt look like a whale's tail, I guess, is what people felt.
I have not heard
You should
of
be telling me about this.
I learned last hour it's not about the tight leggings anymore. It's about the baggy sweatpants and the pleated trousers.
Okay.
So there you go. Finally, Scott, we got Walgreens Boots Alliance. The stock is down double digits this week after Pfizer announced a direct-to-consumer telehealth and e-commerce platform. The former Dow component down 65% this year, now just a $9 stock. Is there any hope for this stock, Scott?
No, there's not. This is a sell. This is just a sell. The entire space is in trouble. The entire space is a sale. The customer experience is horrible. Shrinkage for customer products is horrible. The stock, as you pointed out, got killed on Wednesday, as now Pfizer and Lilly are both going to create their own customer direct sale portals, which means that the prescription business for Walgreens is not going to be the revenue producer it was before. It would produce 55% of Walgreens' revenue in the last quarter. That means that both sides of the business are challenging. So the prescription business is going to have a tough time. We know that the retail side is really having a tough time. Dollar Tree recently pointed out that their customers are really feeling the pinch. That's certainly not going to help the retail side of Walgreens. It's just a mess. The whole space is a mess. Management has not done a good job. So it's a sell. And if you decide to hold on, I'm going to say good luck.
All right. Scott Nations, thank you.